Stress, burnout, and social pressure are at an all-time high.
Technology keeps advancing faster than we can process, and people everywhere are struggling to navigate pressure, adversity, and change.
The truth? Hustle alone won't cut it.
That's why mastering your mindset is the new currency of success. For too long, mindset training was reserved for elite athletes and top executives. We're changing that. Your mind is your greatest asset. And like your body, it can be trained.
We call it prehab for the mind. Because you don't need to be broken to get better. You just need the right process and the right coaching. Your edge
starts in your mind. Will you train it?
Or keep playing the same old game?
Because the body has limits,
but the mind is limitless.